Temperatures will be in the 40s through 8 o'clock, 30s after that toward midnight. Now our weather headlines, that includes breezy conditions on Monday. It'll be mild and dry for the plains. We'll have some snow showing up on Tuesday in the high country, but for the time being until 2 a.m. This morning we have a high wind warning for the higher elevations. Our observed highs today in the 50s here from Denver up into northeastern Colorado, some 60s across the eastern plains, and up in the mountains temperatures in the 30s and 40s. 55 our high at DIA today, 68 the record set back in 1921, and this time of year we should only be at 43 degrees for an afternoon high. Now this week on our 7-day forecast we really have no major storms headed our direction, so we're going to stay pretty mild here on our 7-day forecast. Right now it's 49 degrees downtown, 47 at the airport, and our winds out the northwest at about 20 miles an hour. So yes, it is breezy out there. Our temperatures are in the 40s at this point here. We have 20s and 30s up through the higher elevations and some snow up toward Estes Park. Otherwise, across the rest of the state, it is very quiet at this point. It's the wind and the snow that we're really keeping an eye on toward Estes Park and Rocky Mountain National Park, also up toward Red Feather Lakes. But we do have this high wind warning in effect just off to our west, and it stretches from Red Feather Lakes all the way down toward Idaho Springs and back toward Leadville until 2 a.m. this morning. So wind gusts could be as high as 75 miles an hour. We've had gusts reported just up at Berthoud Pass, about 71 mile an hour winds earlier today. Right now they're at 51, and our winds here for the Front Range and the plains between 20 and 30 miles an hour at this point. Now our futurecast, pushing all that snow out of the way, we're going to have clear skies into the early morning hours tomorrow up toward Estes Park, and of course here for the Front Range we'll have a few high clouds, temperatures in the 20s overnight. So if you're up early tomorrow, temperatures will start out in the 20s. We'll have 14 in Leadville, 6 below for Gunnison, and 11 for Durango early on. We'll have temperatures in the 20s for the I-25 corridor and out 76 toward Fort Morgan and Sterling as well. Our morning commute forecast, really not bad. We'll have partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 20s through about 8 a.m. and then into the 40s by 11 a.m. It'll be clear and chilly as we get into Monday, but our high tomorrow will be 52 degrees. Breezy for the afternoon, but we're not expecting any high wind warnings to continue into tomorrow during the day. Temperatures in the 40s here for northeastern Colorado and 30s and 40s for our northern and central mountains. If you're farther to the south, temperatures in the low 50s for you around Castle Rock, Parker, and Highlands Ranch, and we'll have 52 in Fort Collins as well. Our hourly planner, sunny skies into tomorrow late afternoon. We'll have temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s thanks to this big area of high pressure. Here comes another cold front that's bringing the snowfall as we get into Tuesday for the high country. In the meantime, warmer than average conditions for the western half of the U.S., and that includes Denver. So our temperatures well above average for this time of year, into the 50s, even 60s as we round out the week and go into next weekend.